Hey everyone, in this video I want to show you from La Paz to Cusco journey. Copacabana, Titicaca Lake, Sun Islands and Floating Islands. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel.
It's been a long, hard season. I'm feeling weary to my bones. I guess that's my reason. I've packed my bags and now I'm gone. Somewhere between the sun and the deep blue sea.
Copacabana is a small town located on the shore of Lake Titicaca in Bolivia.
Out on a beach bed. That's where you find me.
Completed in 1619, Copacabana Cathedral is one of Bolivia's oldest churches. Lake Titicaca is located on the border between Bolivia and Peru. It is considered to be the highest lake in the world. Covering an area of 8,300 square kilometers, Lake Titicaca is the largest lake in South America. There are no motor vehicles on Isla del Sol. It may be possible to rent a donkey. Isla del Sol, Island of the Sun, is the largest island in Lake Titicaca. Due to the high altitude of Lake Titicaca, headaches are a common complaint among travelers. The floating Uros Islands made of reed. Tour boats to Uros depart from Puno in every 40 minutes. I'm Oktay. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this useful. If you want to see more, please click subscribe, like and bell notification. And I'll see you on the next episode. If you want to contribute to my next travels, please use my affiliate links in the description. No extra cost to you. See you.